my son. So, stay here, but I'm at the back.
You're at the back this year.
So you hear? That's Father Laing right there. And him must say, him is always the Sting King. You see me? So him still in charge. But him say, him just a play from the back this time. And make him son angle all of the business them for him. That's all. That's all I go on. But I still Father Laing thing. You see me? Him not turn over nothing. Him just make the son do the work. While him sit in the background. So we have Laing. I can come tell you about the Kartel show. The Freedom Street show. You know what I'm saying? I make you know say nothing can stop Sting. Sting have to go on. And no show. Kartel show now. No show can stop it. You see me? And we also have this. You remember Kartel was showing them picture here with him son? Yeah, man. And him never that show him little son. But guess what? We have him little son here. You see me? Kartel now hide nothing. Him just like when the media talk up a bag of things and the people them on YouTube talk up a bag of things. That's all. But check out this. You see that? And them a give up the sign. You see that? World Boss. Yeah, man. A World Boss Junior, that man. So we got that coming up. And we have Laing coming up. So stay tuned for the badness and the wickedness. You see me? Gaza soon there with the latest information. Check we out.
Here.
Yeah, this is the bird specialist place. So you know I'll always have to come back. Last time I was here, it was excellent, darling.
Wow.
Excellent. And it was about a week and a half ago or thereabouts.
People don't know say we represent this thing.
Yeah, man. Listen to me.
A fat man, right?
And what people are trying to do is trying to form a competition between the two shows. No, we're not doing that.
No.
This thing is a 41-year-old show. That show is that. Yes.
Hold on, road boy. Nobody nah. I never we say it, you know. I you would say it, road boy. Father Laing, I you say if Kartel choose any day in a December, it look like him a look war. I you say it, nobody else never that think nothing of that nature, my boss.
This show is gonna be a 1-year-old show. We understand that Kartel, that grew up and Sting, was away for a portion of time. Fine, but he comes back and he want to do a show. I am not objective to that. Yes. Do your show, make your money, you and we do our show. The only problem I had was for the show to be on the same date as my show. And I understand this is not on the same day. So I'm very, very...
Yo, you hear that? Him say the only problem him would have is that the show was going to be on the same day as his show. Come on, bro. I never that you did say, man. You see, so how them a draw back now and a draw up in them shit. Brethren, you have to be a... Brethren, stand up for your words, them, man. You tell the big man, say, you know want not the man choose no date in a December. And if him a go choose any date in a December, make sure say it early in a December. So the people them can build up back their money for come and Sting. You forgot, sir, that you did say, bro? No, you must realize, say, your words them have consequence. Like the people them say, yo, we not gonna Sting. So you come and sweet up back the thing now and a support up Kartel thing so the people them can fall back in love with Sting. But just keep the thing real, dog.
Very good with it.
So you have the date.
Yeah, man, we have the 26th of December. That is what we have over the years, and I will not relinquish that for nothing. Once I know that it's coming up, it's a problem for me.
My father is 53, and he said he know about the show.
Yeah.
It's a long time show.
No, Sting started in 1984. I was like 26 years old with a boy. And I make sure that I maintain it right through the years. It cost a lot. I lost a lot with it. A lot of properties.
A Ninja Man build Sting, man. You see me? And you know give Ninja Man no award or nothing of that nature. Without Ninja Man, Sting would have been nothing.
that have to be sold to maintain it, but it is a cultural thing. It's a Jamaican anthem.
Thing, so.
Yes. So I know people from all over the world come to see things. I can't make them come and to let down Jamaica. That is what I do to ensure that Jamaica stay on top all the time.
Yes.
It wasn't about Laing or Sting, it was about Jamaica.
You hear that, rude boys and rude girls? It makes Sting be about Jamaica, the island itself. It ain't about Laing himself. It's about Jamaica. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, you know such thing, would that be a good show if you was paying the artist them, rude boy? If you would have pay Kartel him money and all of them thing, that Kartel probably would have never end up a prison. You see me? And just because you never had to pay Kartel him money and Kartel start keep him own show them and them type of things there. And you hear out of Kartel mouth saying believe say are you would have send police for come lock off him thing when him that keep him thing. You see me? You're lucky Kartel no come choose thing on the same exact day for revenge. And you know that to rude boy. You know that to. You have to come keep the thing you need to confess.
And if anybody knows me will know that I'll go to any ends to ensure that Jamaica, yes, that Jamaica is benefited from this show because people come from every part of the world for Sting. Yeah.
And we did it this year.
Guess what? This year, people are come from all over the world for Kartel show. You see me? All of the big name them in the world. Like the Cardi B's and the Nicki Minaj and the Jay-Z and the Beyonce. A Kartel show them a come for rude boy. Eminem and all of them type of people. The Kanye West. You see me? The real millionaires. A Kartel show them a come for rude boy. The only way them people, you see them people that Sting, if Kartel end up a Sting. You see me? Yeah, what you need for do, I make men's with Kartel. Me don't know where you do Kartel, you know. But to me, it look like you make Kartel that prison. So you need to find some form of way for make men's with Kartel so Kartel can forgive you. You see me? That are the best thing that for Jamaica.
Nobody can stop it from happening.
Father Laing, you know. One Father Laing.
Nobody can stop it. It is going to happen. Having blinkers like this. I don't care. The 26th of December is Sting. And
you hear that? Nobody can stop Sting from happening. You hear that? Nothing. The man say blinkers him have on. Him not say nothing but Sting. Yeah, man, we have the real Father Laing, yeah, man. I explain everything. And I hear say, this is not the son. You see me? Because I not really the son that run things. And the father, him just there in the background. And I give the son orders. That's all.
Jam World, we will be doing Sting. If it's 10,000 people, 5,000 people, 15, 20, it is going to happen. But I know, because of what I have done to ensure that this show happens every year, people should understand that they need to just come forward and support the thing. Kartel show is a show that is going to come this year. We don't know what happens next year. Kartel is here and...
You hear that? If I tell the people them say them need to come support Sting. Yo, and to me, all of this rumbling is because them scared. You see me? Them scared rude boy. Because of the big talks them what they make before. Say, oh, if Kartel choose any date in a December, a war in my look. And him get the feedback from the people them. The feedback from the people them, him never like that. Him realize that the people them out for boycott Sting just because I feed them out. So remember the son come out first, you know. And come say, no man, no competition between we and Kartel thing, man. Till them all say, oh, them are go a Kartel show too. Why you think them a say that? And now, you hear what Laing say. Mind Sharp, him come say the same thing. You understand? Because them want the people them support. Them want the people them for come as thing come support theme thing. You understand? That's why them a say, oh, and a war thing now. Like, we never have it say a war thing in the first place, brethren. Are you come say if Kartel choose December look like a war Kartel a choose? Kartel not soon, bro. All of the bullshit you put Kartel through 13 years ago when Kartel usually I keep him showing you a send Babylon for come lock off the man thing. The man with ear through the grapevine say you that cause all of those ruption. You see me? That's why I say you're lucky the man now keep it right on your sting day the 26th just for revenge. That's why me I say as Kartel come out of prison, you should have find some farmer way for make things mends with Kartel. Be on good terms with Kartel. Go make Kartel know say you're sorry for all of the bullish where you put him through. And if I never you, him only end up a prison. You need to go apologize to Kartel. And that me I make you know. You see me?
It's a new phenomenon.
Yeah.
No problem. Because I will be going to Kartel show also.
Exactly.
I don't have a problem.
You hear that, my good people? Uno hear that? It's like becoming like a genius. Uno hear that? Even him say him a got the Kartel show. I want this, my lord. Uno hear? You see me? Why uno think them a say things like this? Because him want uno to come a fame show. Cause him don't know the Kartel of the people them. So him want the people them to support fame show and support Kartel show as well. Remember, at them would I say, I make sure Kartel not keep no show close to for them date. Because the people them money are got done and them now got have enough time to build up for come a fame show. Kartel show only 2 days after for them show. Oh, me now hear them a say, I wonder if the people them are gonna have money for come on my show and then go a Kartel show. You notice them argument they done. Them not care if the people them done the money a fame show. Him just want the support for fame show. You saw things funny. You saw things can work. It crazy, me people. It crazy. Me I tell you, boy. Everybody thinks that them smarter than everybody else. But I one thing you can't do a fool Kartel. I one of the wisest man on earth. God put him here for a reason, man. You just see the man what the man tattoo on him forehead. God is good. You see me? And I appear God is the greatest. You hear the man I talk about. Yeah, man. God put him here for a reason, man. Conquer the world and then deliver God works. You see me? By any means necessary.
But don't try to compete. We're not competing with him.
No.
We can't compete with him. We cannot.
Remember Kartel never compete with Unu in a dog. All the man said him a go have him show in December and that was it. You never no Kartel no mention the word sting. None of that. Unu come out and come talk about him here say him choose December. Him can't choose December. If him any date in December, make sure say it early in December. The man never, Kartel never look no war with no boss. And only the man's things, only they even know the date where the man that go use. And look, the man put him show after phone the show now. And no, me not hear you now say, yo people, if you no come support me, no make sure say you save up some money for a Kartel show, you know. No. But before you not run off with no more about, don't want the people them done the money a Kartel show and now have no time for build up for come as thing. Brethren, and I saw the thing work, brethren. You know, if you just give people them freedom, but the people them pick whatever date the people them want pick. Everybody don't know such thing keep on the 26th. Everybody know that. You see me? So why you not run off on the big gun? if Sting lineup is a good lineup, wanna have artists where the people them want to see, the people them are gonna show up. You see me? At 13 years, Kartel not there, you know. And the people them that support other artists. You see me? So they put on good artists on the show where people want to see. And maybe people will come support you know. But you don't know nothing can stop Kartel show. Right now, stadium can't hold just the people them will fly down from foreign for come see Kartel show. You see me? Enough of them people they need for go Sting because enough of them now go able for go Kartel show anyway. So what we need for do I keep the thing real, brethren, and stop going like say and a backtrack on a backtrack. Stop going like say I don't want the people them to come support for the thing. That's why I say what I say.
That is, Sting is a competitive show. It's a clash, but I'm not going to do a clash this year. No, I'm not. No, everybody want that. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're doing the show, and we're going to bring some artists on the show that the people must can come and enjoy themselves and go. A nice production. We are emphasizing on the production of the show. And artists come, they know they're doing 20 minutes or 25 minutes, 30 minutes. They do their act and they go home themselves. That's it.
You see me. You hear that? So you hear it out of the horse's mouth. No clashing at Sting this year. Him just got do some act, get some people to come do some act, and that's it. This year, no clashing thing. No clashing thing never da go on all here anywhere. Me never see no artist or go at no artist. You see me? So them not have nobody for clash nobody anywhere. So that's why no clash no because him no want no clash. Nobody not there for clash. Who a go clash who? There is nothing was going on this year. And I like last year when the Marco and Fully Bad them and all of them man there would have go at it. So you'd have a few people you could have put up there. You see me? You don't have nobody this year. So I don't like say you want it. But anyway, let's move on before me end this video here. Let's move on to Kartel show him last son. Yeah, me people. See the son, yeah? You see me? And them a chew up the sign. Yeah, man. Kartel. Me so proud of the general, dog. You see me? The people them where they run off their mouth and I said this and I said that. And I can't stop that now. You see me? See the boss there and him son and them look alike. You see me? Yeah, man. No jacket not the about, man. Them man no produce jacket. And remember, you know, them man with Dar Road when them youth are born. Them man that would have raised them youth before them go to prison. So, him that don't know if a jacket him would have before him go to prison. You see me? So, all the people them where they talk about and question Shorty about the jacket thing, on cut out that man. Only thing on the question her upon is the cheating thing what she that do when Kartel die prison. Cause that's the only reason why Kartel have to choose a different woman, you know. A long time, it seems like she a give away a thing. Because Kartel have seen them in her life now from about 2015, over about 9 years. You see me? So a long time, Kartel and Shorty done that. The album where Kartel sing to Shorty, you know, is a breakup album that, you know, if you not gonna listen to them song that clearly, you know, it was not a love album, you know. It was a breakup album. The album we make for see them. That's a love album. You see me towards see them. But the album we make for Tanisha was a breakup album. If you not got listen to that thoroughly. You see me? But you don't know him and Shorty have three, you know what I'm saying, good, grown up, decent, raised son, where the banner got always there between the two of them, just because of the kids. And yeah, man, world boss, man. And you see me show the video, the video where I'm sure yesterday with the other son from foreign. Them all favor the world boss, man. The world boss not produce jacket. You don't know the thing go. Gaza zone there. And we dip on top of the things. Peace and love. And you don't know, I'm out.